Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your trusted information source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, the only supplement that increases lifespan, the power of omega-3 supplements in increasing your lifespan. By learning about omega-3 and elevating your daily intake, you can potentially add healthy years to your life. Longevity is something we all aspire to, and understanding how certain supplements can support healthy aging is key. So come on and join us as we profoundly explore why omega-3 fatty acid supplements are the only supplement you need to extend your lifespan. Understanding longevity and lifespan. Before we delve into omega-3, let's first understand what longevity and lifespan mean. Longevity refers to the duration of an individual's life, while lifespan is the maximum length of time a species can live under ideal conditions. As humans, we're constantly seeking ways to extend our lifespan and promote healthy aging. Types of omega-3s and their exclusive physiological effects. It's essential to note that not all omega-3 fatty acids are created equal. The three main types, ALA, EPA, and DHA, each have their exclusive physiological effects. ALA is primarily found in plant sources like flaxseed and chia seeds, while EPA and DHA are abundant in fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. EPA and DHA are particularly crucial for brain health and cardiovascular function, making them essential for healthy aging. The power of omega-3. Enter omega-3 fatty acids, a group of essential nutrients known for their remarkable health benefits. Omega-3s play a crucial role in various physiological functions, including brain health, heart health, and inflammation regulation. But what sets omega-3 apart is its potential to increase lifespan through its unique physiological effects. Here are some key health benefits associated with omega-3s. Heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids are well known for their cardioprotective effects. They can help reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering triglyceride levels, improving blood vessel function, and reducing inflammation in the body. Reduced risk of stroke. Regular consumption of omega-3 fatty acids has been linked to a lower risk of stroke, particularly ischemic stroke, which occurs when a blood clot blocks blood flow to the brain. Improved blood lipid profile. Omega-3s can help improve cholesterol levels by increasing HDL, known as the good cholesterol, and lowering LDL, known as the bad cholesterol, thereby promoting better cardiovascular health. Lower blood pressure. Studies suggest that omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA, may help reduce blood pressure levels, which is important for preventing hypertension and related complications. Anti-inflammatory effects. Omega-3s have potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce chronic inflammation throughout the body, as they help to regulate the body's inflammatory response, which can benefit individuals with inflammatory conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis, psoriasis, and inflammatory bowel disease. This amazing effects can also benefit individuals with respiratory inflammatory conditions like asthma and others. Brain health and cognitive function. DHA, one of the main omega-3 fatty acids found in the brain, is crucial for brain development and function. Omega-3s may help improve cognitive function, memory, and mood, and may reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Eye health. DHA is a major component of the retina, and omega-3 fatty acids are important for maintaining optimal vision and preventing age-related macular degeneration and other eye disorders. Healthy pregnancy. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for fetal development during pregnancy, particularly for brain and eye development. Adequate intake of omega-3s during pregnancy may reduce the risk of preterm birth and promote healthy birth outcomes. Joint health. Omega-3s have been shown to reduce joint pain and stiffness in individuals with rheumatoid arthritis and other inflammatory joint conditions. They may also help slow the progression of osteoarthritis. Hair and skin health. Omega-3 fatty acids help maintain hair and skin hydration, elasticity, and integrity. They may also help reduce inflammation associated with skin conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Improved asthma symptoms. Some studies suggest that omega-3 fatty acids may help reduce inflammation in the airways and improve lung function in individuals with asthma, leading to fewer symptoms, less episodes, and better control of the condition. Bone health. Omega-3 fatty acids may help maintain bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis by promoting calcium absorption and reducing bone loss. Muscle recovery. Omega-3s have been shown to reduce muscle soreness and inflammation after exercise, potentially enhancing muscle recovery and performance. Mood regulation. Omega-3 fatty acids may help regulate mood and alleviate symptoms of depression, anxiety, and other mood disorders by modulating neurotransmitter activity and reducing inflammation in the brain. Omega-3 and increased lifespan. Studies have shown that omega-3 supplementation is associated with a longer lifespan and reduced risk of age-related diseases. Omega-3s exert their effects through multiple mechanisms, including reducing inflammation, improving heart function, protecting against cognitive decline, and other health benefits that we have mentioned in today's video. High-quality omega-3 sources. When it comes to omega-3 sources, quality matters. While fatty fish remains one of the best sources of EPA and DHA, it's essential to choose wild-caught, sustainably sourced fish to avoid contaminants like mercury. For vegetarians and vegans, algae-based supplements provide a reliable source of EPA and DHA without the need for fish oil. Omega-3 supplementation. While it's possible to obtain omega-3s through diet alone, though it is hard to do it, supplementation can be a convenient way to ensure you're meeting your daily needs, especially if you don't consume fish regularly. High-quality omega-3 supplements undergo rigorous testing to ensure purity and potency, making them a safe and effective option for supporting overall health and longevity. Longevity studies. Numerous studies have explored the relationship between omega-3 supplementation and longevity, with amazing results. One study found that higher omega-3 levels were associated with a lower risk of mortality from all causes, highlighting the potential of omega-3 in promoting longevity and healthy aging. Healthy aging. Ultimately, healthy aging is about more than just living longer. It's about maintaining vitality and quality of life as we age. Omega-3 supplements offer a simple yet powerful way to support your body's natural processes and optimize your health for years to come. And there you have it, the remarkable benefits of omega-3 supplements in increasing lifespan and promoting healthy aging. If you're looking to add years to your life and optimize your health, consider incorporating omega-3 into your daily routine. Your future self will thank you for it. Omega-3 daily intake. The recommended daily intake of omega-3 fatty acids varies depending on factors such as age, sex, health status, and the specific health goals you might have. However, the general guidelines for omega-3 intake are the following. ALA, also known as alpha-linolenic acid, for adult men, 1.6 grams per day. For adult women, 1.1 grams per day. Eicosapentaenoic acid, or EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, or also DHA. The American Heart Association recommends consuming about 250 to 500 milligrams of EPA and DHA combined per day for healthy individuals. But daily intake could go up to 1 grams per day or even more. For individuals with known heart disease, the American Heart Association recommends consuming at least 1 gram of EPA and DHA combined per day, preferably from fatty fish or fish oil supplements. Can use higher doses as well. Combined total omega-3 intake. Some health organizations recommend a combined total intake of omega-3 fatty acids, meaning ALA, EPA, and DHA, of at least 500 milligrams per day for general health maintenance. Higher doses are recommended too, mainly for specific health conditions or goals, such as lowering triglyceride levels, reducing inflammation, supporting cognitive function, and improved fat loss. Specific health conditions. Individuals with certain health conditions, such as high triglycerides, inflammatory disorders, or mood disorders, may benefit from higher doses of omega-3 fatty acids under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Pregnant and breastfeeding women may require additional omega-3s to support fetal development and maternal health. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, as we wrap up our discussion on omega-3 supplements and their potential to increase lifespan, it's clear that these fatty acids hold immense promise for promoting healthy aging. From reducing inflammation to supporting heart and brain health, omega-3s offer a multifaceted approach to longevity that can benefit individuals of all ages. The power of omega-3 is amazing. By incorporating high-quality omega-3 sources into your diet or supplement regimen, you can harness the unique physiological effects of EPA and DHA to support your body's natural processes and optimize your health for years to come. Whether you choose fatty fish, algae-based supplements, or a combination of both, prioritizing omega-3 intake is a simple yet effective way to invest in your long-term well-being. Remember, healthy aging is about more than just adding years to your life. It's about maintaining vitality, cognitive function, and quality of life as you age. Omega-3 supplements offer a valuable tool in achieving these goals, helping you stay active, alert, and resilient as you navigate the journey of aging. So, whether you're in your 20s or in your 70s, consider adding omega-3 supplements to your daily routine and reap the benefits of enhanced longevity and healthy aging. Your future self will thank you for the investment in your health today. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even better content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.